Hey everybody, it's the Weather Blender blog for the 15th of February. The snow is already flying across much of the area, and we'll welcome you on in, show you what's going to happen real quick. Big system here. We can see the snow is moving again into West Virginia from Kentucky. Another big arcing band. The first half of that lifted on up to the north into Pennsylvania. The second half tucking back in. So Columbus through Athens will pick up a nice accumulation. And also, again, the coal fields of West Virginia and Kentucky will pick up a nice accumulation. So that's just one part of the storm system. Again, looking out to the northwest, this is another part. Big band coming out of Michigan, and that Great Lakes flow will sweep across, bring us another inch, maybe two, throughout the Charleston-Huntington area, but certainly a lot more in the high country because that will remain persistent. Let's show you a couple of quick looks at the weather models here. First of all, starting off with the radar, you can see the deep blue. That's all in the form of snow coming down. Some of the roadways are getting pretty lousy out there. Looking out at 7 p.m. from, let's say, 7 p.m. Monday to 7 p.m. Tuesday. You can see a higher concentration of snow. The deep blues represent 8 to 10 inches of snow. That's Columbus. That's also to the east. Let's say Summersville. Also looking at places in Pocahontas County, Greenbrier County. All right, so that's extreme. In between, it's about 4 or 5 inches of snow just north of Charleston, Huntington, and it's about 2 to 3, let's say, from Charleston, Huntington to the southwest. That's the NAM model. GFS, a little bit different look. Not as much snow. Still has that 4 to 5 in the deep green around Charleston, Huntington, I-64. Has a little less, though, in central Ohio at about 6 to 8 inches in the gray and about 5 east of Columbus on over through Athens. I think that has a little better look at reality. This is a little different model. Just kind of orient yourself. Look for the yellow outline of West Virginia. And then you can see this is by 4:30 Tuesday. The teal blue is 2 to 4 inches in stripes. I like that. Very realistic. And once again, this model picks up terrain very well. So you can see the 8-inch kind of deeper purples in the mountains. And then a 4 to 6 inch stripe in some of those deeper blues, and just a couple of bands north and east of the Columbus area, and it's about that 2 to 4 band again around Athens County, and with a little bit of a lull along the Ohio River and a little bit less in southeast Kentucky. I think that's okay minus the southeast Kentucky. I think the GFS has a better look. Scooting out to Friday, we're going to continue that westerly, northwesterly flow with the light snow showers that don't really add up for much for Charleston, Huntington, but certainly do. You can see that big red bullseye. That's 12 to 16 inches of snow over the mountains of West Virginia. That's by Friday. We'll take a break then on Friday, and we'll see a new system then roll in. The models are a little iffy on that. We won't get too deep into that, but we'll just say another chance of precipitation Saturday late through Sunday. So that's the very latest right here. Go slow. A couple of inches of new snow on Tuesday morning, 1 or 2 during the daytime. Obviously making for some very slick travel. We'll have more here on the Weather Blender blog. See you later on.